So welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to see how you can create a product ad for using Grok Imagine for free. We all know that Grok is now primarily a premium software. But in this ad, we're going to see how you can create a product advert video using Grok for free. So let's get started. So you go to your browser, you look for Kai. After you click on Kai.ai. Haven't done that, click get started. Then opt for sign in with Google or with Microsoft. Sign in with Google. Then choose our account, the Google account. Then grant permission, click OK. Continue rather. And confirm that you are human. So this is the dashboard of the Car AI. This is the dashboard. As you can see, it has 73 models you can use. 73 models found here. So when you are in this dashboard, come here on this right hand side, depending on the device you are using, you search for Grok. Click Grok to search for it. So you can see it here. You click on it. So as you can see, or rather, we're using text to video. That's what we're using, text to video. You click text to video rather. When you're in this dashboard, you see we have image to video, text to video, text to image, image to image. So you click on text to video. That is what we're going to use. As you can see, you see the pricing here, 480 pixel. It takes 1.6 credit per second, 720 pixel, take an output of 3 credit per second. So we scroll down and opt for a landscape view for the video. The model is normal. So we increase the video duration, increase it a bit to 10 seconds. Leave it to 480 pixels. So now we go on to copy our prompt. So this is our prompt. Copy it. You can use ChatGPT to create an advert, prompt for advert. So having done that, go over to it and click it, paste it in this column. You have pasted it. The video will be 16 credits will be used to create it. We are doing this all for free at once. There are limitations, but this is for free. Then you click run. So it's now generating the content of the video now. So you can see it created the video in 40 seconds. So let's see. The avatar here is being created now. So let's see it. So let's download the video. Downloaded. So let's
stay connected with Digicitor X smartwatch without reaching for your phone. Track your health, take calls, and do more right from your wrist. Smart, stylish, and built for your everyday life.
So that's the advert. So let's watch it a second time.
Stay connected with the Digisitor X smartwatch without reaching for your phone. Track your health, take calls, and do more. Stay connected with the Digisitor X smartwatch without reaching for your phone. Track your
So
health, take
that's how you
calls,
can
and do
use
more
the
right from your
Grok AI
wrist.
Imagine
Smart, stylish,
card
and built
AI
for your everyday life.
to create art So
Stay connected with the Digisitor X smartwatch without reaching for your phone. Track your health, take calls, and do more right from your wrist. Smart, stylish, and built for your everyday life. Stay connected with the Digisitor X smartwatch
thank you for
without
watching.
reaching for your
Until next
phone.
video.
Track your health, take calls, and do more right from your wrist. Smart, stylish, and built for your everyday life.